Okay, recording. Ma'am, recording is focus and please carry on.
Yes, sir. So, this is the 14th session of International Telecollaboration Project between India and Bangladesh. So, we are proceeding towards the first topic, that is holidays. So, sir, I request you to tell your student to describe first.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. This is our 14th session of international collaboration between India and Bangladesh. We have also two topics, another before, like before. One is holidays and gift giving, and another is about reduced inequalities. First, I want to request Shushmoy, please describe about our holidays and gift giving. Yes, please, Shushmoy.
Thank you, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
How are you? I am fine, and you?
I'm also fine.
Can I start?
Yes, you can start.
Today, our topic is holidays and gifts. In our country, there are many government and non-government holiday to our country, and we can enjoy in our holiday very much. And as a Hindu religion pupil, I like to enjoy the Durga Puja vacation and the summer vacation. In Durga Puja, I meet with my friends and relatives in Puja celebration, and they are I enjoy very much. And in summer vacation, I play football and other types of games, and reading many types of books, and meet with my another friends in my summer vacation. It is very enjoyable to me. And the another topic is gifts. In my I get many types of gifts in my birthday celebration. My parents and my friends also participate in my birthday, and my birthday is upcoming in the next month, 11 July. So I am very enjoyable this birthday celebration, and I am thinking about this birthday and plan many things. And they are, my best gift of my life is what was given by my father. It was a dress, a shirt, and a pant, which was very lovely to me in my 6th birthday, and I don't forget that gift anymore. So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shushmoy.
Thank you.
Now I want to request Shobhon, please describe your topics.
Thank you, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Shawan.
Ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, you can start.
Ma'am, holiday. We get about 150 days of 36 5 days, 365 days from the school. In January, there is no big holidays in neither than Friday and sports. Then in February, the SSA candidates have their exam, and not to disturb them, our classes are off for 30 days. Then we got holidays of summer vacation of 15 days, and then we got 35 to 38 days of the Ramjan before the Eid Fitr. It is the biggest vacation in our country. In March, we also have many national festivals like 17 March, the birthday of our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. 26 March, our Independence Day and National Day. Then Shabe Barat, etc. And in April, we have the holiday of Bengali New Year. Then uh, in July, we get holidays for a week for Eid ul Adha, and then the mourning day comes in the August. 15 August is the death day of the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. In August, we also get the Janmashtami, vacation of my only one day. Ma'am, do you understand Janmashtami?
What? Please speak loudly.
Ma'am is telling about
Janmashtami,
Janmashtami.
Janmashtami.
Janmashtami. Yes, yes. I know about Janmashtami. It is also celebrated in India.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, then in October we get 8 to 9 days vacation for my favorite and the biggest festival of the Hindu religion, Durga Puja. In December after exam we got vacation for winter vacation, or we get after exam. Then 16th December the glorious day, our victory day. 25th December Christmas, etc. There are also a lot of vacation that I cannot describe, because if I start, it will take a lot of time. We also get 48 to 50 days of weekly holidays, like our for Friday, my favorite holiday in winter vacation. We don't have any kinds of loads like tuitions, schools, reading, etc. We can play as much as we need or want. One of my favorite childhood memory is I went to Kuakata, one of our seashore, with my family. I enjoyed it most. Ma'am, then birthday. Birthday gifts, birthday in our country are very interesting. We install cream to each other and we break eggs on the birthday person. He might be our friends. And of our own birthday, we take blessings from the elders. Then we get a lot of gifts on this day. Ma'am, I have never received or given any kind of funny or a terrible gift. That I am lucky. And thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shovan.
Thank you, Shubham.
It was
Described
really
about
very
our.
interesting to know about the gifts you got. Thank you.
Thank you, Shobon. Shobon and Shushma also described our holidays in our country, and also gift giving that was he was given by his father, and also ma'am Orno is in some problems. He want to tell about after some times. So
Okay, no problem.
may I proceed?
Yes, yes. Sir, before you proceed, may I ask you one question?
Yeah.
Because from 2-3 session I want to ask and I'm just forget it at the right moment. Right now, Shavan said that he is getting holiday on Friday, I think. So what is the condition of school's holiday when school gets holiday on Sunday or on Friday in Bangladesh?
Bangladesh holiday is only Friday.
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 Okay.
It's a weekly
For
holiday.
school.
I think next
Weekly
year
holiday.
next year weekly holidays is maybe in it will be 2 days, Friday or and Saturday maybe.
Okay. Sir, Mohit Tilwani, one of my students, is trying to enter in this. Please just check. Mohit Tilwani. Yes, he is now.
Oh,
Mohit, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You may proceed, sir.
yeah. Our school in our country, there only at this moment we have only holidays in Friday, and on our students, two students described it. So I am not interested to tell about, but I want to say that our countries, most of the people celebrated their sons or daughters' birthday, and in teenager also celebrated with their friends in our country very much, and they like to, especially they like to celebrate their birthdays in a hotel or restaurant, and especially their couple was also celebrated their special day in a marriage anniversary. It is very popular also, and when it was celebrated, they also their best gift also his spouse. This is a gift that was gifted by his spouse. It is one of the best gift by a husband or and one wife, and also mine. Thank you. Now I
Thank
want
you,
to
sir.
now I want to describe about our second topics, inequalities. It is the most and I think it is the best problem. Sorry, best one, a big problem. Sorry, big problem in our country, inequalities, because some people is so rich, but most of the people in our country is poor, and also middle class. Middle class people in our country is the large people, but most some people in our country is so much risk. It is the main problem, and now I want to describe about it to share screen. May I proceed?
Yes, sir.
This is our 14th session. Uh, our topic is reduced inequalities. So, as in many developing countries, poverty in Bangladesh has been an alarming social issue. For they would should be further deprived of sufficient resources needed to prevent extensive poverty matters, because it affects many factors of growth, education, population growth rates, health of the workforce, and public policy. This topic has some question. First one is, which factors have been deprived in our country? So I want to tell about, in many cases, due to political influence, many people are deprived. In many cases, the poor are deprived of justice. Women are deprived of property. The father gives property to the son but deprives the daughter. Wealth is the inequality of the poor. Some rich men also deprive to the poor man, and this is the main problem in our country. Hereditary differences have decreased a lot. Nowadays, it goes without saying that there is no torture of minorities at present, but a large number of minor tortures took place during the uh, tenure, tenure of the previous government. It was a big problem that time, but now we are free from this type of problem also. Issues associated environmental justice are often inseparable with inequality. Sometimes this issue also associated with indigenous and aboriginal communities, ethnic minorities, and communities of low socioeconomic status. Studies of environmental justice shows these communities are irregularly likely to live in environments with higher risk of exposure to pollution and toxic contamination, which poses long-term health and environmental threats. Globalization is also accompanied with migration, displacements, and dispossession, and this often increased vulnerability of marginalized communities and groups, which negatively shaped their prospects for globalization and emancipation, and widened inequality at the meantime, efforts are still needed to improve the policy measures for order is safe, regular and responsible migration and mobility. There are also associations between inequality and mental and physical health in various forms, such as status, anxiety, competition, social capital, social embeddednesses, and choices. The UN has defined 10 targets and 11 indicators for SDG 10, that means inequalities. Targets specify the goals and indicators represent the metrics by which the world aims to track whether these targets are achieved. SDG 10 covers issues including reducing income inequalities, promoting universal social, economic, and political inclusion, ensure equal opportunities and discrimination, adopt fiscal and social policies that promotes equality, improved regulation of global financial markets and institutions, enhanced representation for developing countries in financial institutions, responsible and well-managed migration policies, special and differential treatment for developing countries, encourage development assistance and investment in least development countries like us, and reduce transactions cost in migrant remittances. At the core of organization work is working with partner organizations as well. It also conducts campaigns to raise the voices of poor on local and global, to inform policies and programs to combat poverty and inequality in the USA, and BRAC is the largest Bangladeshi-based international NGOs with a mission to elevate. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Really, it was really, we should must know about the inequalities and try to reduce them. Sir, now I want to, yeah.
Ma'am, I want to say about that in Bangladesh, we have the most problem in our country is inequalities. I think to develop and continue to increase our educations. That means in another sectors, it is the main problem in our country, inequalities. Not
So,
in not in
seed, sir,
Bangladesh,
is,
not in Bangladesh, but also all
in
developing
India
countries.
also, yeah.
All developing
Yes,
countries
yes.
is the main
All
problem.
developing countries
And
there.
what-
In
and,
our country also.
I don't
Yeah.
say anything to initiative. I didn't say anything initiatives by the government, because I think it is not more successful. So I didn't say anything this type of.
Actually, sir, inequalities again, I will say that it is in mind of people. Until and unless we will not understand the value of human being, if we credit the person with their caste, then it is our fault that after so many years, and we are so much educated, and we are living in 21st century, but our mind is not developed, and we are thinking that and we are judging the people by the caste. It is the our fault that we are doing this again. So it is the problem of really developing country in India also. And though governments of India and Bangladesh and all developing countries are doing giving schemes and giving the quotas to minority peoples, but still they are deprived of many social, we can say that they have the lack of social facilities, and their image are still down, and they are not treating by the good, I can say, caste or senior high caste or higher peoples. So it should be changed from mind. Sir, I would like to request now to my students to present their topics about holidays. So I request first of all to Nayan. Nayan, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Unmute yourself and speak about the first topic of holiday. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine, thank you.
So today's our topic is holiday. We celebrate in our country summer vacations, Diwali vacations and Christmas vacations. We get Diwali vacations for 10 to 8 days and Christmas vacations for 10 to 8 days. And the summer vacations we celebrate for 1 month. My favorite festival is Diwali. I always only wait for Diwali vacation since my cousins gather in my home. We celebrated together. I am happy. I am very happy at this time of my. It was very happiest moment of my life by sharing my gifts, love with my family and neighbors. Since Diwali is known as the festival of light, so we decorate our house with lights. My childhood best memory was my mother gifted me a dress on my birthday. It was a very happiest moment for me. I celebrate my birthday. I wake up early in the morning and go to the temple. Then after I make some food for my friends. Then I celebrate with my friends and family. I did not get any trouble or funniest gift on my birthday. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nayan. Now I request to Divya Nagdev. Divya, unmute yourself and speak about the first topic.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello, Nan. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine, and you?
Also fine, thank you.
Divya,
In India,
speak
we
little loudly.
yes,
Speak
sir.
loudly.
Yes, ma'am. In India, we celebrate holidays on festivals like Raksha Bandhan and Diwali, Holi, and also we get holiday on Sunday. When India was under British rule, the meal workers in India had to work hard for all 7 days of a week. He said after working hard for 6 days, the workers should get a day to serve their country and society. Sunday is a day of Hindu deity Khandoba, hence Sunday should be declared as holiday. In India, we celebrate birthdays by using cakes and candles. Cake is a symbol of social contribution, while candles is a symbolize life. People used to extinguish one light to remember that their life is reduced by 1 year. Now, on birthday, our mothers pray us to God, dress us up in clean clothes, followed by enjoying our favorite dishes prepared at home, and then meeting our near and dear ones and seeking their blessings. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you very
Divya.
much.
So now I request to Muskan to unmute herself and speak about the first topic.
Hello everyone. So as today I'm talking about the festival. There are many festivals in India which we get holidays for. As everyone have already told you. Talking about my favorite holidays are Ganesh Chaturthi holidays. These holidays we only get in Maharashtra state because Ganesh Chaturthi is a special festival of Maharashtra. We get holidays for usually 7, 8, or 10 days, or 11 to 15 days. We get holidays, and it is my favorite festival. I spent a lot of time. I have a lot of fun celebrating this festival, especially with my cousin brothers. We on the first day of Ganesh Chaturthi, we have to we bring home our idol of Lord Ganesha and we worship it for 11 days. At the 11th day, we actually immerse it in the river. So it is a very interesting festival. We decorate our idol, we decorate the background, and night before Ganesh Chaturthi, when the idol is actually to become, me and my cousin brothers, we make the decorations very nicely all night. We stay up and make the decoration. That is the best moment for me, probably for the whole year. And I love Ganesh Chaturthi very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Muskan. Sir, the time of the second link is 4:10. So this is 4:05. We have 5 minutes more, but I think we will not get time to recording. So what do you think? Shall I continue or give you time of 5 minutes for recording?
Okay.
Hello, sir. Okay. So we will again rejoin with the second link after 5 minutes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have a request.
Yes.
मैम
What
हमने
is your
सुना है कि आप
request?
बहुत मैम हमने सुना आप बहुत अच्छा गा सकते हैं.
Yeah. Who told you?
मैम Ornia.
Okay. So what is your
Can you sing a
request?
song?
Please, ma'am.
Okay, after 5 minutes, I will sing for you at the last of the session.
Thanks, ma'am.
Whatever you will say, I will try. Okay.
Thanks,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Yeah. Sir, one of your student was telling that he will speak later. So will he speak or? Hello, sir.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I have to share the screen of Harshal. So allow me to share the screen, sir.
We're done.
Yes. Harshal, can you see? Harshal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your slide has started.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
This is our 14th session of international telecollaboration between India and Bangladesh. So today's topic is holidays and gift giving. First of all, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Can you switch to next slide?
Yes, Harshal.
Holidays in India. The most important holiday of India is Diwali. There are 3 national holidays in India. First, Independence Day. Second, Republic Day. Third, Gandhi Jayanti. Ma'am, switch to next slide.
Yes.
The holidays in India. Holi, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Shivratri, Navratri, Ganesh Chaturthi. There are some more holidays which I hadn't written. About Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan means protection, and in some places in medieval India where women felt unsafe, they tie Rakhi on the wrist of men regarding them as brothers. In this way, Rakhi strengthens the bond of love between brothers and sisters and revives the emotional bonding. About my favorite holiday are Holi and Diwali. Holi is a festival of colors. On Holi, we play with colors and water and enjoy Holi. Diwali is a festival of lights. On Diwali, people burn firecrackers. People draw rangoli in front of their houses, give sweets to their near and dear ones, and enjoy Diwali. Difference between holidays now and in childhood. When I was child, I haven't wait for every festival. That is when the festival will come and I celebrate now with my friends. And now this excitement had been over. That feeling of enjoyment had been over now. Birthdays in India. In India, people on their birthday invite their friends for party. Then they will cut cake and distribute it among friends. Then they dance together, play together, eat together, and enjoy birthday. Then people who came on birthday will give gifts to the birthday boy or girl. They click so many photos and save them as memory. In this way, Indians celebrate their birthday with very joy and enthusiasm. Ma'am, please next slide.
Yes, Harshit.
Best gift ever I received. The best gift ever I received on my birthday is Magic Box. This gift is given by my grandfather to me. In this Magic Box, there are so many tools with which I can do more than 100 magic. It was very interesting gift. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshal. Very good presentation. Thank you, Arjun, also.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sir, now Mohit Tilwani will share his slides.
Okay.
Mohit, can you see your slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good evening to everyone.
Good evening.
And this is the 14th session of India and Bangladesh telecollaboration. And today topic is holidays and gift giving. Ma'am, next slide. There are so many holidays in India. These holidays are Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Mahavir Janma, Dal Nayak, Buddha Purnima, Christmas Day, Dasera, Diwali, Holi, Hanuman Jayanti, Ram Navami, Christmas, Raksha Bandhan, Good Friday, etc. Ma'am, next slide. Holi.
Yes.
Holi is known as a festival of colors. It is one of the most important festival in India. Holi is celebrated each year with zeal and enthusiasm in the month of March by followers of the Hindu religion. Those who celebrated this festival wait for it every year eagerly to play with colors and have delectable dishes. Ma'am, next slide. My favorite
Yes,
festival is Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15 August. The reason behind celebrating Independence Day is the freedom achieved from British government on 15 August 1947. On this day, the Prime Minister of India unfurls the Indian flag on the Red Fort in New Delhi. Students perform many cultural acts and dramas to explain how India got freedom. Every society and market get beautifully decorated with Indian flag. Our second topic is gift giving. Indians celebrated their birthday with new clothes, parties, and dancing. Children celebrating their birthday go to school in brand new cloth and accessories. The birthday gift I ever received is none other than my parents, given to be my God on my birthday. Nowadays, not every child is fortunate enough to have both parents to nurture them. As for me, I am lucky to be raised by two loving parents. They provide shelter and care so we can lie comfortably. Ma'am, next. I haven't reached a funny or terrible, but I have gave a fake snake to my friend on his birthday, and his reaction is very scared. Ma'am, next. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mohit.
You.
Sir, about gift giving and holidays, my student had explained everything.
Yeah.
I think we should not repeat again and again the same thing. Coming to the next topic, inequality, I would like to share the topic with by the PPT presentation. So, sir, can you see the slides?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, this is a 14th session, and I'm going to present about the about reduce inequalities, part 2. SDG 10 brings the idea of a society where each person enjoys the benefits of economic growth. In recent years, India has experienced one of the fastest growths in the world. However, the nature of economic growth can sometimes be inequality and enhancing. Therefore, in spite of high growth rate, it may not be an easy task for India to achieve the goal on reduced inequalities. Discrimination against women and girls is a pervasive and long-running phenomenon that characterizes Indian society at every level. India's progress towards gender equality, measured by its position on rankings such as the Gender Development Index, has been disappointing despite fairly rapid rates of economic growth. In the past decade, while Indian GDP has grown by around 6%, there has been a large decline in female labor force participation from 34% to 27%. The male female wage gap has been stagnant at 50%. A recent survey finds a 27% gender pay gap in white collar jobs. Different states and union territories of India, in cooperation with the central government, have initiated a number of region-specific programs targeted at women to help reduce gender inequality over the 1989 to 2013 period. Some of these programs include Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, Sampurna Gramin Rojgar Yojana, awareness generation projects for rural and poor women, condensed course of education for adult women, Kishori Shakti Yojana, Swayam Siddha Mahila Mandal programs, Rashtriya Mahila Kosh, support to training and employment program for women, Swavalamban program, Swashakti project, Swami Siddha scheme, Mahila Samkhya project program, integrated child development services, Balika Samriddhi Yojana, national program of nutritional support to primary education to encourage rural girls to attend primary schools daily, national program for education girls at elementary level, Shiksha Abhiyan, Ladli Lakshmi Yojana, Delhi Ladli scheme and others. Some of the charitable organizations working for women's rights: Women India Trust, It is established in 1968 in Mumbai by Miss Kamila Tabji. The charitable organization was started by training less privileged and unskilled women to stitch sari petticoats. This helped women develop skills and become financially stable by earning a regular income. This changed not only their lives but also their families. They also run girls' hostels and still training centers for women to provide them with the necessary opportunities for employment. WIT WIT continues to help less fortunate women secure a better future. They have helped women by setting up educational centers, nursing schools, vocational skill training, livelihood programs through a food processing unit, a professional unit which employ full-time trained staff. Here, women are involved in the production of jams, jellies, marmalades, pickles, chutneys, and fresh fruit squashes. Indian Women and Child Welfare Trust. This registered charitable trust works in the field of social, cultural, economic, health, educational, relief, and rural urban community development. They are committed to sustainable development goals and the previous millennium development goals for women and child development. The aim remains to have efficient opportunity for the marginalized so that they can achieve their optimum potential. They help in empowering disadvantaged women and girls by imparting skills training, computer training, educational scholarship, and self help support, which will help to generate an income for their families. Maina Mahila, one of the seven charities chosen by Markle and Prince Harry of Britain. Maina Mahila is an Indian charity that transforms the lives of women by moving beyond taboos and social stigma. Founded by Jalota, a 21-year-old student at Duke University in North Carolina at the time, this organization works as a women's menstrual health foundation that provides affordable sanitary napkins to women from Mumbai's most impoverished neighborhood. Every year in India, many girls drop out of school when they start menstruating, as they can neither afford napkins nor do they have someone they can speak to about their menstrual health and hygiene. Because of the stigma associated with menstrual in the country, the foundation seeks to empower women by providing them with the tools and materials to menstruate their own sanitary napkins and then sell them to their community at a fraction of the cost of regular napkin. This foundation was in the news when Meghna Markle visited the small factory in Mumbai. Oxfam India. In the year 1951, Oxfam Great Britain came to the India during the Bihar famine to offer aid. It works in collaboration with other grassroots organizations across the country. Oxfam India hopes to achieve the goal of advancing gender justice by 2020. The other goals also include making poor and marginalized women claim and advance their rights, less occurrence of violence against women in the country. They work in partnership with different local organizations to help reach marginalized women. Oxfam India has also helped in eradicating domestic violence through their campaign like प्यार में वार नहीं and बनो बनो नई सोच will unstereotype cinema in collaboration with feminism in India is one of the top trending campaigns in India against objectification, objectification and gender bias faced by women actors, directors, and film crew in Bollywood and regional cinemas. They create social movements for women to claim safer places in the environment they live in through the project Creating Spaces. The organization focuses on state Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh in particular. So that was all about the inequality.
Thank you, ma'am. Describe second topics in our focus sessions, and thank you also again.
Sir, I think we have the other second session also today
Yeah.
at 5 o'clock, and some of the guests are also coming. So it's 4:30 of India, and we have to meet again in 25 minutes, 30 minutes. So what do you think that we should end this session?
Sorry, please. I think
Can we end? Yeah.
time is the 5 p.m. in Bangladesh and 4:30 yours. So now
Yeah.
now our time is 5:02 p.m. So we should start now.
No, I have made the link, another link after half an hour for 15th number of session. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
5 of India, and there will be 5:30 in Bangladesh, sir. Okay, sir.
But you before sometimes you sent 5 p.m.
5 p.m. of India, I said.
Okay, thank you. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we will join again in half an hour, and if I'll get the time, because some guests are also coming. My management people is also coming. Yogesh sir and Shishrat sir will also join.
Okay,
And
that's very
as
good.
you said that some guests from Bangladesh also.
No, there is no guest.
No guest. Okay. So
But ma'am,
in first half.
Arun Shobon was a request. Please, and also mine. Please.
Ma'am, please.
Okay, actually there is a lackness of time today. So
Only
okay,
ma'am
I will
two
sing
lines.
for you for one paragraph. I would like to sing for you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
as you are my lovable student, and today is the last day, so I should not neglect your request. So I'm trying
Thank
my
you, ma'am.
best. I know that my notorious students told you about these things. So okay, I'm not a good singer, but I'll try. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, your daughter also said
Yeah.
us that you are a good singer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I remember. Okay.
Ma'am, Shobhan is a
Okay.
good singer. Also.
Shovan. Okay. After that, Shovan, we would like to listen Shovan in the next session.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I had one also request.
Yes, Harshal.
In one session, you had said you like ghazal, so I want to hear one ghazal.
Right now, I have not prepared ghazal, but I am going to sing a very beautiful song. So I hope you would like, because today we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
time problem, and I have to prepare for the next meeting also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm starting. ये जीवन है इस जीवन का ये जीवन है इस जीवन का यही है यही है यही है रंग रूप थोड़े गम है थोड़ी खुशियाँ थोड़े गम है थोड़ी खुशियाँ यही है यही है यही है छाँव धूप ये जीवन है इस जीवन का यही है यही है रंग रूप ये जीवन है। ये न सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है। ये न सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है। उसे अपना लो जो भी जीवन की रीत है। ये जिद छोड़ो गम ना तोड़ो हर पल एक दर्पण है। ये जीवन है इस जीवन का ये जीवन है इस जीवन का यही है यही है रूप रंग ये जीवन है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you very much. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir. I hope you like that.
Very good singer you.
Ma'am, it was one of my favorite song, and in your voice, it was more beautiful. Who said
Thank
you are
you
not
so
a
much.
singer?
Thank you so much, Ravan. But in next meeting at the end, be prepared. I would also like to listen you if after going of the guest with the second link, with the last link, we would like to listen your song. Okay. So for today, for right now, bye to all of you, and we will meet after 20 minutes.